Step one is always safety. I did pick these chocks up. They're race ramp type dealies. They do have a wheel chock on them. Car is also blocked at the front tire. You can see there. Extra support. You do not want to die over putting on an exhaust system. It's not really worth it. From there, started by disconnecting the actuators. We are about to cut the pipe. You cut the pipe flush with this back cross member here, the rear subframe. We're going to cut that right, like literally in line and as straight as we can get it. And then we are going to lubricate up the exhaust mounts, which are up in there. I don't know if you can see it. Come here, right there. Those rubber grommets will all get lubricated, and then this bad girl will slip right out.
Hey, Bubby. Race cars.
Race cars.
Old muffler. New muffler.
So we've removed the actuator from the factory exhaust. It bolts onto these so that it can still turn and do whatever it wants to do. But these are actually going to get sandwiched between the heat shield here. There's two 8mm bolts, 7mm bolts, and it's just going to pinch it, hold it, and the car's going to think it's there. And you plug it back in, of course, so that the plugs don't get corroded. And then from there, we're going to start dry fitting the exhaust back to the car. A car in Canada with a Canadian-made exhaust system that you take a break for your Canadian coffee. Tim Hortons, please sponsor me. We enjoy your products at the car meets. Cheers.
Lincoln approves this message.
We have fully finished the installation. Everything is tight, everything is lined up, everything fits swimmingly. I went for the more tip look. I did decide that that was my preferenced outcome. Tried to make sure that you could see a little bit of the Mbrp. The only thing that I didn't see in the instructions is, it probably isn't always necessary, but the actuator valve for the MPP, we had to disconnect one of the clips to the body to give it enough wire to actually reach where they intended us to go. No, my diff's not leaking. Yes, I had diff service done and they changed my fluid, so that's why that's there. But overall fit finish is spectacular, and we are getting ready to fire this bad girl up. Exhaust has been installed. We have heard it. We approve of the message. We got Lincoln here. He did most of the installation. He was extremely detailed. I really appreciate his attention to detail and putting it in. Dylan brought the coffees, commentated, did a little bit of video work. He's the official beard grower of the group. And then we got Nathan. He just showed up with a beer and didn't offer anybody any. So thank you to that, Nathan. Guy, you.
I try my best.
Absolutely beautiful exhaust. I'm really, really impressed. We're going to go do a bit of a toot around town and see what it sounds like in the car under some controlled conditions with a professional driver.
We're going to head down to Mexico.
3 honks, and we'll be in Mexico.